Some beautiful people out there, great network enthusiasts. In this journey of CCNA Lab, I would love to start everything afresh because I believe I am dealing with some beginners. So I want to do everything from scratch. I will be focusing on the lab in most cases. So in this first series of videos, I would love to teach you how to download and install the basic tools need for this training first, which is Cisco Packet Tracer. So I will teach you how to do that, how to download it and how to install it. So let's go straight away. So as usual, you have to have your computer. So you go to any browser. I like using Firefox, so I will go to Firefox. In the search box here, you search for Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, let me follow this one. Download. So I have it. I have different options to download from. The first website here is the official website, which is the netcard.com. But I will not be using that because the reason is that if you want to use this site, you have to undergo some training, for example, before you can see the download option. So that's a long cut. So I'm looking for an easy way. I usually use this website, which is Computer Networking Notes. It takes you straight to the downloading web page. So I will click on it. I will also share the link in the video description. So I'll click on it, and then this is the latest version for 64 bits. If you are using 32 bits, you go for this, but I'm using 64 bits, so I'll click on this. I believe the download is automatic, so it's already downloading. Once it downloads, I will show you how to install it. So I will pause the video for now. Let's go. All right. So let's check the progress. It's almost download. Let's wait a bit. Let's see. All right. So it's already downloaded. So you can double click it to begin the installation straight, or you can open the folder to locate where the raw file is. So that's what I just do. So here it is. Double tap it to double click to load it. So I want to minimize everything from the screen. Minimize. Oh goodness. Still loading. Yeah. Accept the agreement by clicking on I accept. Click next. Click next. Click next. I will have to create a shortcut on my desktop, so I will leave it this way and click next. Then click install. It's already installing. So the installation may take some minutes, so I pause the video. It's about to finish now, so let's wait and see. Okay. All right. Fully installed. I will love to launch it immediately to show you one or two things inside. So I will leave this launch Cisco packet tracer and click on finish. Would you like to run? Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so it has opened. That's how it look like. So let's do one or two example. But in this case, let me just do example here. So I pick a router from the router list here. There are a lot of options here. So I just pick this one. Then go to switch here. See the switch options here. Under, click on it. See different switches. So I just pick one. Let's pick two PC and connect them together. So see the PCs here and devices. See PC. I pick one PC here. Pick another PC here. So to connect them together, you use the cable here. So these connections, there are a lot of different connections. If I click it, they are straight through, they are crossover, fiber, and also this one is console. So in this case, you are going to use this copper cable because we are connecting these end devices to the switch and the router. But the copper cables here we have straight through and the crossover. Where do we use straight through and crossover? The straight through will be used for devices that have different transmitting and receiving pins. For example, the switches have transmit at pin 1 and 2 and receive at pin 3 and 6. The router does opposite, transmit on pin 3 and 6 and receive on pin 1 and 2. So to connect these two different devices, you have to use the straight through cable. So I will use this. Choose gigabit 01, then connect it to gigabit 000 here on the router. Then the PC and the switch use the same transmission and receiving pin, so you use crossover for them. So choose crossover cable, the one that are represented by dotted line. So I click on this PC, use fast Ethernet 0, then connect it on fast Ethernet 01 here on the switch. Do the same on the PC2, then connect them on fast 02. As for the router, I'm not going to do any configuration, but let me just show you example on how to access the CLI of the devices. For example, the switch here, if you just click it, you will see the option physical configuration CLI. So I'm going to click on the CLI to access the CLI of the switch. So the initial startup I just click enter. I'm in the CLI of the switch now. The first command I'm going to use here is enable. Use shortcut to move me from this mode to the enable mode. Then enter. This is a more privileged mode that you can do many things like show some commands and a lot of things. But that is still limited. If you want to carry out configuration, you need to enter another mode called a global configuration mode. So the command to enter that is configure terminal. So I will short the configure with config, then the terminal with T. So I am moved to the configuration mode. So the first command I will use here is just an example. At the moment, I'm not going to do much here. Let me just say I'm going to change the name of this switch. So The command to do that is host name. So let me type host name, then followed by the new name you wish to put here. So I want to change it from switch to SW. So SW1. So this is switch 1, stand for switch 1. So if I enter, you can see here that the name have changed from switch to SW1. So one important thing you need to note here is whenever you do your configuration in any of the device here, you need to save it. So don't forget that, if not your work will be in vain. To save your configuration, there are two options. Either you use the write memory. So I always use that write. Just type write. But in this configuration mode, you cannot use that command. So to use that command here, you have to put uh, do before you write the actual command, which is the write. Do write. So the configuration will be saved. Then you see building configuration. So it's not saved. You cannot quit, so your config is saved. So let me just do one or two things to test the PC. I click on the PC, go to config. First thing, go to the interface you connect to, which is first tunnel 0. Let me assign an IP address to it. So we are using static IP here. So let me enter example 10.10.10.11. So subnet mask, let me use /24. It detected as /8 here, but I'm going to use /24, which is 255.25, sorry, 255.255.0. Okay, so that's all. I'll do the same thing on this one. I'll change the IP address. So let me give this one 10.10.10. Let me say .11. Sorry, I'm on wrong side. We are not using this router yet, so I'm not going to assign a default gateway. Let me go to the faster tunnel 0 again. The IP address 10.10.10. Let me give this one .12. 10.10.10.12. Then 255.255.0. Alright, so that's all. So let me ping PC, the second PC1. So to do that, you go to desktop, see command prompt, then type ping 10.10.10.11. The first one was .11, so you can see it's replying. So that's the end of this quick lecture. So in the next video, we'll look at pick up a topic from the CCNA, and then we look at the configuration and do the practical here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification button to receive the latest video from me.